the owner and promoter of Fashion Yatra. It's been 20 fruitful years. In March, we complete 20 years in this fashion business, and we have designers from all over the country, a lot of them from Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta, Nagpur, Pune, Chennai, Amritsar. So they're from all parts of India selling clothes, jewelry, accessories. So please do come and have a look. So after 20 years, we've moved our venue to Park Hyatt Hotel, just trying out a new menu. So please show us your support and love as you always have. And looking forward to the next edition in March of Fashion Yatra, which is going to be a discount edit. So people who've been loyal with us for 20 years, it's our thank you to them. So we are having a platform for a clearance sale for them. So thank you so much.
Coming this side, what is your background, ma'am? What is your background? Where is the native person? What is the background? Your background? What is the education or?
So I'm a BCom graduate. I did fashion designing for some time, but I got married and I couldn't pursue it. I got married very young. So, but clothes have always been my fashion, and I'm I have that artistic and that creative thinking stint in me. Whether it's clothes, fashion, jewelry, interiors. So I have a very good eye, and I think that is how I curate these shows. Once you go around the show, you'll find you have something for everybody, for all ages, for all occasions, and that's my USP.
This feels very journey places. How is your family support now?
My family support is a lot. All my family has always supported me, and without family support, I don't think I could have come 20 years hence. So, family, friends, and all of Hyderabad support has always been there.
This is expo only one day, no?
This is the first time we've done it for one day. Normally, we have a 1.5 day show. We tried something new. Now 20 years have happened, so I have to move ahead with the time. So I tried something new. We've done a 1 day show. Looking forward to the next one.
Okay, how many branded parts?
We have about 50 stalls here.
Your name?
Kamini Saraf.
I am Neha, and I have got these products from Jaipur. These are all hand block printed stuff. So I have bed sheets, I have towels, I have dohers, I have quilts, and as you can see, I have a lot of varieties in bedspreads. So we specialize in these hand block printing, and they look very pretty and they suit all kind of interiors. Whether it's a modern interior or a classic interior, these go very well with every kind of a house.
Okay, this type of how many अब तक कितना of the parts करें?
I have been a part of this business.
Yes.
I started this in 2019.
Okay, today.
So today I have come to Hyderabad to participate in Fashion Yatra.
Okay, how proud person.
It is beautiful. The people of Hyderabad are very nice, and you get genuine buyers here. I have been coming from 2019.
Oh.
Yes.
Your name, madam?
Neha Rajgadia. My company name is Dreams by Neha.
How many employees working?
My dad is into the exports and this. He has a manufacturing unit. So I just get this as a part of my hobby, and all the proceeds from this sale goes for charity. In my village, that is Rajgarh.
Today, market fashion display material. What type of material or jewelry different styles or दूसरे shop से your shop?
My name is Akshar, and we are into lab-grown diamond jewelry with a brand called Oro Jewels. So we are doing bridal jewelry, we are doing South Indian jewelry in lab-grown diamonds, and I'll show you a couple of pieces. Like this is basically the temple pendants in lab-grown diamond jewelry that we are specialized. The lab-grown diamond is basically the the past 2-3 years have taken a lot of space in the jewelry segment and the jewelry category, and people have shifted and people are trying to shift to lab-grown diamond jewelry. And we are also doing some of the bridal necklaces for the upcoming wedding season for 2025. Like this is one of the bridal necklace what we have done. So this necklace is with lab-grown diamonds and Russian emeralds. This is a bridal choker that we have done. So for your bridal requirements also, you can visit us. We are located at road number 7, Banjara Hills, under the brand of Oro Jewels at Hilltop at 7.
Sir, how many years you started in your business?
So we are into jewelry industry since last 25 years. We are doing conventional diamonds, and lab grown is a very new category which is introduced 2 years back. So we are the pioneers in Hyderabad who have started lab grown diamond jewelry 2.5 years back.
Name, sir?
Oro Jewels.
So today we are at Fashion Yatra exhibition, and it's a great exhibition here. We are really enjoying Hyderabad. Thank you so much. So we are here to present our summer collection today. You can see we've got a lot of tensile denim with laser engraved printing that we've got here. Very different styles of different silhouettes, dresses. We have also got embroidered in the tensile denims. We have nice bright color embroidered coat sets, tunic sets, dresses that we have got here. We have got some festive range, some bright colors that you can see, embroideries. So it was a great experience to be here, and thank you so much, Hyderabad.
How many years you started in your company?
So we've been doing the exhibition from last 5 years, and it is always a great journey here. And every time when we come, it is a great support from the team, especially from the Kamini ji and Radhika ji. It's a great support from them. Thank you so much.
So my name is Shikha. I'm a designer for Whimsical by Shikha, and we are from Bombay. And we've been coming to Yatra for many years, and it's a fabulous exhibition. We make women's wear clothes. We do a lot of jumpsuits and dresses. And our starting point is 15,000 and goes up to 22,000. So I hope you come and shop with us.
What is your background, ma'am? This type.
I'm a fashion student from NIFT, Mumbai. I went on to do my masters in FIT, New York, and I've been working on my label for almost 10 years now.
Your native place, ma'am? Where your native place?
I'm originally from Delhi, but I've lived in Bombay most of my life.
Okay. Present other shop material, your shop material, what's the difference?
So the speciality of our label is that we design our own prints. We don't buy from anywhere. We get our fabric woven from Surat, and then we design our own prints on hand. We have an artist who paints all my floral motifs and all my prints, and then we digitize it into fabrics. So all of them have a very nice hand feel, hand painted texture and aesthetics to it.
Okay. How is today Fashion Yatra in a crowd public?
So Hyderabad is a great market. People really love fashion and clothes, and they've been very appreciative about our label, and they've really shopped very well. So Yatra and Hyderabad is something which I've been coming for years now. It's probably my 10th year.
Before any this type of expo, your participant?
Yeah, I've been doing many shows, so many years.
Okay.
Lots and lots of shows. Like Pandora is there, Chapter 1 is there. A lot of good shows in Hyderabad.
How is going your business?
It's going good. It's going good by the grace of God, yes. You're doing well. Thank you.
Dadar, where your address, please tell me.
So we are in the heart of Mumbai, which is Dadar, and it is also the cloth capital of the city.
Any landmark?
So we are opposite India Bulls. So we have a showroom there, and we would love if our clients come in and drop down.
How many members working?
We have a team of 20 people.
20 people. Okay. Thank you.
Hello Anju, I'm Kusma, the founder of Skinvida brand. So I recently started this skincare brand 1 year ago. Everything is natural, herbally made.
ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ అవుతుంది మేడం?
1 year అవుతుంది.
ఓకే, మా ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయండి స్కిన్ కేర్కి సంబంధించి?
అంటే మనకి ఫేస్ ప్యాక్స్, యాంటీ ఏజింగ్ సంబంధించినవి, గ్లోకి సంబంధించినవి, కీ క్రీమ్స్, మాయిశ్చరైజర్స్, హెయిర్ ఆయిల్స్ అండ్ లిప్ బామ్స్, ఫేస్ మిస్ట్, ఫేస్ ప్యాక్స్.
ఎంటర్ప్రెన్యూర్ రావడానికి ప్యాషన్తో వచ్చారా లేదంటే ఎట్లా?
ఫ్యాషనే వచ్చానండి.
ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు సేల్స్ ఎట్లా అవుట్లెట్?
ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్ సూపర్ ఫైన్, ఇస్ గోయింగ్ వెరీ వెల్.
ఓకే, అంటే ఆన్లైన్ ద్వారా సేల్?
మాది వెబ్సైట్.
ఓకే,
సో ఈవెంట్స్లో కండక్ట్ చేస్తాం.
ఓకే. ప్రైస్ ఎంత ఉంది మన స్టార్టింగ్ ప్రైస్?
స్టార్టింగ్ ప్రైస్ 649 నుంచి స్టార్టింగ్ ప్రైస్ అండి.
ఇట్లాంటి షోర్లు స్టార్ట్ చేయడం ఇంత ఫస్ట్ ఎక్కడెక్కడ?
కపుల్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ చేశాను.
ఓకే, ఎక్కడెక్కడ స్టార్ట్?
అండ్ 36లో మనకి హీల్స్ అండ్ కేప్స్ అదర్ ఈవెంట్స్లో కూడా చేశాను.
మీ బ్రాండ్ నేమ్ ఏంటి?
స్కిన్ మీద.
స్కిన్ మీద. యువర్ నేమ్?
కుసుమ అండి. ఐఎమ్ అబిత కుసుమ, ఫౌండర్.
1 minute మేడం. ఓకే.
హలో అండి, దిస్ ఇస్ శృతిలయ ఫైన్ జ్యువెలరీ అకాడమీ. మేము మన ఫ్యాషన్ యాత్రలో వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ 1 day ఎగ్జిబిషన్ షోకేసింగ్ న్యూ కలెక్షన్. సో మా కలెక్షన్ వచ్చేసి జెమ్ స్టోన్ బేస్డ్ మొత్తం. సో న్యాచురల్ జెమ్ స్టోన్స్ అండ్ న్యాచురల్ డైమండ్స్ ఉంటాయి. జూబ్లీ హిల్స్లో రోడ్ నెంబర్ 40 మా బొటీక్. అండ్ వీ డూ ఆన్ అపాయింట్మెంట్స్ అండ్ కస్టమైజ్డ్ జ్యువెలరీ అండ్ బీస్పోక్ జ్యువెలరీ ఉంటుంది. మీకు ఏ డిజైన్ కావాలంటే మేము అది మొత్తం స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి డిజైన్ చేసి మీకు మేము ఎండ్ డిజైన్ వచ్చినట్టు వీ విల్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ యూ అండ్ దట్స్ అవర్ స్పెషాలిటీ. అండ్ మీరు మా డిజైన్స్ చూడాలంటే వాళ్ళ ఫ్యాషన్ యాత్రకి వచ్చి 1 day ఎగ్జిబిషన్లో చూడొచ్చు. అండ్ ఆల్సో మా బొటీక్లో అపాయింట్మెంట్ తీసుకొని వాట్ ఎవర్ డిజైన్స్ యూ వాంట్ టు గెట్ ఇట్ డన్, ఫైన్ జ్యువెలరీ, గోల్డ్, డైమండ్స్ అండ్ జెమ్ స్టోన్స్ మీరు రావచ్చు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
నెక్స్ట్ మ్యారేజ్ సీజన్ వస్తుంది, వాళ్ళ కోసం ఎలాంటి మా దగ్గర?
యా, సో కమింగ్ వెడ్డింగ్ సీజన్లో బ్రైడ్స్కి మా దగ్గర ఒక స్పెషల్ సర్వీస్ ఉందండి. దట్స్ కాల్డ్ బ్రైడల్ కన్సల్టెన్సీ. సో వీ స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ వాళ్ళ డ్రెస్సెస్ అన్నీ సెలెక్షన్ అయ్యాక మా దగ్గరికి వస్తే వాటికి సూటబుల్ కలర్స్తో పాటు వాట్ ఎవర్ జ్యువెలరీ కానీ జెమ్ స్టోన్స్ కానీ సూట్ అవుతాయో దాన్ని బట్టి మేము వాళ్ళకి హెల్ప్ చేసి లైక్ విల్ హెల్ప్ యూ విత్ కంప్లీట్ డిజైనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది బ్రైడల్ సెటప్స్.
కస్టమర్ మీ దగ్గరికి వచ్చి ఇట్లా కావాలంటే మీరే డిజైన్
చేసి స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి ఎండ్ వరకు మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ చేస్తాం. 18 క్యారెట్, 22 క్యారెట్ డైమండ్స్, జెమ్ స్టోన్స్ అని. అలాగే వాళ్ళ యాన్సెస్ట్రల్ జ్యువెలరీస్ లైక్ అమ్మమ్మ జ్యువెలరీ కానీ అవి కానీ కాసుల పేరు అలాంటివి ఉంటే వాటిని మేము రీడిజైన్ కూడా చేస్తాం. ఇప్పుడు ఉన్న ట్రెండ్ తగ్గట్టు వాటిని ఎలా మోడిఫై చేసి వాళ్ళు మళ్ళీ యూజ్ చేసుకుంటారు. సో వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీ జ్యువెలరీని కూడా ఫాలో అవుతారు. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం కరెంట్ ఏదైతే ట్రెండ్ ఉంటుందో, ఫ్యాషన్ ఉంటుందో దానికి తగ్గట్టుగా వీళ్ళు డిజైన్ అవుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ వీ డూ. ఆల్రెడీ 12 years అవుతుందండి మా బ్రాండ్కి. స్టోర్ వచ్చేసి 5 years నుంచి ఉంది జూబ్లీ హిల్స్లో. జూబ్లీ హిల్స్ రోడ్ నెంబర్ 40. విల్ గివ్ యూ ద డీటెయిల్స్. మీరు అందులో చూసి. I'm Shweta Srinivas. I'm the founder of the brand. Thank you. You can follow us on Instagram, Shrutilaya Yoslo, and any other details.
My sister here is a brilliant designer. Her brand is Toki Doki by Pooja. This is a scan. She's from Bombay and she designs remarkable clothes because it's, there's something for everyone. Starting from easy occasions like dinners and sundowners to going for dinner, marriage and reception. She's created all segments. The starting price is about 7,000-8,000 and it's a full outfit. You can dress it up with some nice heavy jewelry or you can tone it down with some smart accessories. And for Hyderabad, it's really lovely because being in Hyderabad, I realized that we need a lot of outfits for smart casuals and this is the perfect brand for that. You can follow us on Instagram as well and reach out to us and give us orders, and the sizes are from small to XL, and XL we take customizations with colors and sizes as well. And the patterns are something really different with drapes being the most in, and the capes like this one is from the Parsi Garas, and like what I'm wearing is for a nice evening. And we've done a lot of texture with quad sets, and there are capes and casuals, as I said, which are little embellished.
resort wear is just perfect. Like this one has been a very loved piece because it's got an organza drape falling in it. So do check us out on Tokidoki by Pooja and hope you like something to order. Thank you.
From Delhi. It's always a pleasure to be with this exhibition named Fashion Yatra. It's been a great response, and our range starts from 9,000 onwards to 20,000, and everything is in malmals and pure cottons with formal wears. We do a line of beautiful anarkalis also, and the colors and the pastel colors which we do are like mind-blowing. So please come and visit, though this show is only for a day, but do visit next time when we come for this show. Thank you so much.
Address, madam, your company.
My company name is Nazar by Indu Abid, and I come from Delhi, and I make a specialization in pure cottons.
अभी तक किधर participate कर रहे हो ये this type of show?
All over India.
All over India.
I've done the shows all over India, Bombay, Chennai,
Started how many years
Hyderabad.
now with your
It's
company?
been 35 years. And do visit my Insta handle, which is Nazar by Indu Abid. You can see my all collection in that.
Thank you. Your
Thank
name?
you very much, and have a happy new year to you all. And I'm Indu Abid this side.
Thank you.
Thank you.